Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake that is about the pricing plans. How wisely we can choose that plan. We have discussed about pre-purchase and on-demand pricing plans in my previous video. Here, which plan is the best one? For that, we are going to see one with a real-time example. Okay. For example, in our company, we are planning to use the Snowflake technology. Means before that we need to do some analysis. That means impact analysis. How can we implement that, and what is the cost involvement? Which plan is the best one? If we do that analysis only, we can choose one plan wisely. Okay. So here we are having two plans. One is pre-purchase, the another one is on demand. Okay, pre-purchase means it is similar to the prepaid that options what we are having in our mobile phones. Some companies they are having the prepaid and postpaid. Likewise here, prepaid means we will be buying one that storage space from the Snowflake service provider, and on demand means it is like postpaid. We will be paying all the amount at the month end. Okay. Here we are going to see one example. Which one is the best one? Okay. See, we are going to choose. We are assuming that first assumption. So far we have not implemented this Snowflake technology in our company. We are assuming that our storage requirement per month is 200 GB, and we are opting for pre-purchased plan in Snowflake. Pre-purchased plan. Then what happens here is that actual consumption at the month end is only 50 GB, and the cost per TB is $23. This is the real one. I will show in the website itself, Snowflake website itself, and we have calculating how much that amount, the dollars. Okay, if it is around 50 GB. Okay, so the $23 divided by 1,224, which comes around 0.02. Then our entire storage requirement, for our storage requirement, we have paid for 200 GB. So 200 into 0.23 is around $4.5. Okay, $4.5. This is for pre-purchased, and we are assuming another scenario. That means we are going for on demand, and our assumption is 10 GB only. 10 GB only our consumption. We are assuming like that. Okay, and we are going for on demand pricing plan, and actual consumption is 20 GB. Actual consumption is 20 GB for on demand plan. That service provider is charging $40 per TV. So it will be around $1. So it will be around $1. See, if our actual requirement is only 20 GB, and if we pay for 200 GB means, then it is not worth to go for the pre-purchased plan. So we can opt for on demand. Okay. And one more situation, we are going for on demand plan for 200 GB. We are assuming like that. So our requirement is 200 GB. But finally, the actual consumption is 150 GB means, okay, 150 GB means the amount calculated is only $6. Here you can see the difference. Okay, 200 GB on demand. Our actual consumption is 150 GB on demand plan, and for 200 GB storage requirement for pre-purchase, the actual consumption, if it is around 50 GB, the total cost is $4.5. So we should conclude which plan is best for our environment. Okay, our company for our company, which plan is the best one, we have to choose. So here, if we are the first time using the Snowflake technology, we can go for the on demand. So that will be cheaper. Overall, the cost will be around $40 per TB. But if we calculate for month wise, that will be very cheaper for on demand. Later on, once you settle with all the storage requirements and the server requirements, you can go for the pre-purchase. Okay, it depends on your environment. You have to choose which one is the best one. I will show in the website itself. See, this is the Snowflake website, and I am going to show the pricing actually. Here, please select the platform and region to see the pricing. I am going to choose AWS only. And region, here I am going to choose US. Okay, then see the pricing plan. On-demand storage is $40 and capacity storage, that is the prepaid one, that is $23. The same thing only I have used in my example. But if you choose the some other region, for example, I am going to choose Asia Pacific. Asia Pacific, Singapore, I am choosing it. Okay, I will go for India itself. Mumbai, I will choose. See, now what happens is here $46. It's slightly more. For US, it is 40. For India, it's around 46. And for prepaid, for US 23, here it is $25. So it is depends on you which region you are going to select it. Okay. So based on that, the calculation will be done. So this is the somewhat how wisely we can choose the pricing plan. Okay. We will see in the next video about the other things in the Snowflake. Okay. Other concepts. Thanks. Bye.